Why do Nintendo Directs feature shadow drops? Imagine tuning into a Nintendo Direct and suddenly discovering a new game or update without any prior announcement. This surprise element, known as a shadow drop, has become a common feature in these presentations. But what drives Nintendo to include these unexpected reveals? To understand this, it is important to consider the strategic advantages and the context within which these presentations are made. Nintendo Directs are carefully crafted digital broadcasts that showcase upcoming games, updates, and company news. They serve as a primary communication channel between Nintendo and its global audience. Incorporating shadow drops into these presentations offers several benefits. First, they generate immediate excitement and buzz among fans. When a new game or significant update appears suddenly, it creates a sense of spontaneity and exclusivity that encourages viewers to stay engaged and share their discoveries with others. Another key reason is the ability to maximize impact with minimal prior notice. Shadow drops allow Nintendo to release its content at moments when they want to capture maximum attention, perhaps during a lull in other gaming news, or when they want to surprise fans during a specific event or time of day. This tactic helps to dominate social media conversations and online discussions, increasing visibility for the company and its products. Additionally, shadow drops can serve as a strategic response to market conditions. For example, if Nintendo wants to promote a game that is ready for releases but does not requiring a lengthy promotional campaign, a surprise drop can accelerate sales and interest without the need for extensive advertising. It also helps to keep the audience intrigued and eager for future reveals, maintaining a steady level of anticipation. Furthermore, shadow drops can be a way to test the waters for new content or features. By releasing something unexpectedly, Nintendo can gauge audience reactions and adjust their marketing strategies accordingly. This approach minimizes risk and allows for more organic engagement. In summary, Nintendo Directs feature shadow drops because they are an effective way to create excitement, maximize visibility, respond swiftly to market conditions, and foster ongoing engagement with fans. These surprise reveals are a carefully considered tool that enhances the overall impact of Nintendo's communication strategy.